Hey there everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus tip with this vocal remover that I showed you in last week's video. If you didn't happen to see that video, I'll put a link down in the description so that you can go and watch that video too. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Bob Cheslinski and I'm a band director, and I make YouTube videos to teach and entertain you about all things music. Let's get right into today's video so I can share this bonus tip with you. And I'm going to show you something that I didn't show you in the original video, and hopefully this makes things so much easier for you when you're going to do your own music. I'm going to click on Browse My Files, and I'm going to go back into my Vocal Remover folder, and I'm going to take that Dua Lipa song that we used in our last video, and I've gone and I've taken out the vocals so that I can use this as a karaoke or as an instrumental. What I didn't show you in the last video is right over here. So on the right hand side there's a button that says music, and if I click on that, it's going to automatically start downloading the music. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to open this. You can hear the vocals are gone. I just have the instrumental, but I've already downloaded it as an MP3 file. So now I can load this anywhere I want. My phone, on any computer, upload it to Google Drive, and I have this available to me. And I could also even send this to a student to practice. If I click on the vocal side and I click on it to open it, now I have a vocal track that I can use also to send to a student or use to practice in my classroom. So there you go. This is your bonus tip. Go into that vocal remover. After you upload your file, you can click on the music button and just get an MP3 instrumental track, or you could click on the vocal button and get just the vocal track. To learn more about music-related content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you liked the video today, click on the like button. I really appreciate it. And if you feel like watching another video, just click on one of the ones you see on your screen. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.